Part 1, I'll show you how to replace back glass in your Moto Z3. As you can see on right here, it's cracked, so I bought a new piece of glass. You can see right here, just like new one. So I'll provide a link below where I bought it, so you can go get a new one. So let's start by heating up the back glass. Just heat it up, and you need something sharp like a knife or a razor. I usually just heat up one side so it's not going to be too hot, so you can touch the other side easily. Use glasses if it needs to be, because the glass is going to be cracking while you're doing this stuff. It's going to be a bunch of glass. It's gonna take some time to clean the stuff. As you can see, it doesn't come off very easily. I'm gonna heat it up some more. Okay, now it's coming off much better. This stuff cools down pretty quick, so you'll have to use quite a lot heat gun. Use gloves if it needs to be. I need some more. There's easily pieces to remove and some not. It's really hot, the glass. Okay, let's try to pull this plastic thing that's sitting on it. This whole thing. You can see once you get to this plastic piece, you can pull on it. It cracks the glass, but it'll remove much easier. I'm gonna use a glove right now to peel this stuff off pretty easy. So as you can see, I'm pulling on it, and this whole glass coming up. You see it? It's really easy now. It's going pretty good. Just lots of little glosses. It's really hot still in some spots. Lots of gloss. But at least it's coming off pretty easy. Okay, here it is. Came off in one piece. As you can see, just lots of gloss. We gotta clean this stuff. Okay, now you can clean the phone from the rest of the adhesive, this stuff, like right here. Clean it off the rest of the stuff. And once you remove this thing, you can clean that stuff. Clean the phone from the rest of the gloss. Make sure you clean the pad you're working on so the gloss here, I'll just use a new one. So once you clean the phone really well, make sure to clean from the rest of the gloss. You can install the new one, the new piece of gloss. So I have it right here. I bought a new one, as you can see. Now just remove this plastic stuff on top and install it in. It's super easy. And here it is. You have just like new piece of gloss. Make sure you go all the way around so it sits pretty good. That was pretty quick, easy replacement. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.